Car dooring. The act of opening your door into the road, creating a collision with a cyclist. Car dooring is a serious issue with the potential to cause real harm to a cyclist. Even if a collision is avoided, the cyclist may be caused to swerve into traffic. Is car dooring illegal? The law states that no person shall open or cause or permit to be opened any door of a vehicle on a road so as to injure or endanger any person. But how can car drivers help? The Dutch reach. The Dutch reach is a simple technique designed to prevent car dooring. Developed in the Netherlands, the technique encourages people to use their arm furthest from the door to open with. Reaching across your body forces you to turn your body, making you look behind so that you can spot a cyclist. It's a simple technique that can help save lives. What else can I do? Aside from the Dutch reach technique, try to pay more attention when opening your car door. A careful approach won't take long and can save you a lot of trouble. Has your car been involved in an accident which has smashed or cracked a window? The Windscreen Company provide repairs and replacements to ensure your vehicle is safe to drive. For more details or to book an appointment with our fully mobile team of specialists, contact us today.